APRON Records x Nike Air 180. Team Red 2025. The upper of this limited edition Air 180 is made of shaggy terry cloth in deep red hues, with smooth leather overlays. The black scaly leather on the heel adds depth to the shoe's texture, and the swoosh has a distinctive snakeskin print. An elegant contrast to the entire style is provided by a rose gold heel counter. A distinguishing feature is the razorblade lace dubrae, which pay homage to Julien's previous work as a barber and his hand tattoo. This narrative quality is also present on the branded insoles, which feature sentimental pictures from Julien's childhood, such as scenes from his aunt's salon, where he used to operate a barbershop in the basement. In spring 2025, a few Nike stores and Nike.com will carry the APRON Records x Nike Air 180 Team Red. $150 is the anticipated retail price.